gotta grab.
Yes. Sorry, the hot
Read it out loud.
cocoa was Shannon's present. Please make sure she... What? No, that's her handwriting.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
How do you know?
P.S. Sorry, the hot cocoa, all of it, cocoa, was Shannon's present. Please make sure she gets it. Her handwriting. Apparently this is Shannon's.
I would never do such a thing.
Shannon, will you write me a note?
We got coffee cup.
Oh, those are nice.
Okay, I will write you a note. Just a second. I will write you a really pretty note.
Wait, I don't know how to...
Do you got a pen over there?
Is there something cool in here?
But you gotta put your finger out.
What's this?
I'll write it right with this.
Protectors. For hot chocolate. Okay. Sweet, what's that?
Awesome. She's got a cup on her head. Look at it. I hope somebody's getting a picture of this. First Christmas was kind of grown up.
When you quit your complaining,
Yeah. Completely different handwriting. Completely different handwriting.
Yeah, you took forever over there writing that, Shannon. Okay, what?
I love you guys.
What?
We wanted to know what was in the box, so I opened it. I'm sorry.
Got another hat.
What?